Sir, I'm grateful to you that you have given me an opportunity to raise the issue under Rule 256. Sir, just I will make a brief statement so that everybody can understand what Rule 256
Statements
is.
are not allowed. Karge, you make submission.
Yeah, I am making
It's a zero
submission. Submission.
0 hour.
Sir, I wish to raise a very important procedural issue relating to suspension of 12 members of Rajya Sabha for the entire duration of the session. Yesterday, on adoption of motion moved by the Minister of Parliamentary Affairs, the moving of the motion and its adoption is a gross violation of rules of procedure regarding suspension of members provided under Rule 256. At the time the Minister was moving the motion, I sought to raise a point of order under the provisions of Rule 258 of the Rules of Procedure. As per the well-established conventions, every member who seeks to raise a point of order has to be permitted by the chair to raise the point of order. Furthermore, when the leader of opposition is seeking to raise a point of order, they have to be allowed to raise the same. I was, however, not allowed to raise my point of order.
Right.
This is itself a gross violation of the well-settled, time-honored parliamentary convention. Now coming to the provisions of the suspension of members under provision of sub-rule 1 of Rule 256, before a motion is moved for suspension of any member, the chairman has to first name a member. If he is of the view that a member has disregarded the authority of the chair or abused the rule of the council.
Right, Kargeji, I heard you.
No,
I understood what you want. No, you can't make a statement. You can't make a statement. You cannot make a statement. You can make a point. You can't make a statement.
1 minute, sir.
Let others sit
I
down.
am quoting this.
Let others
rule.
sit down. He is capable of
Sir,
placing it before the house.
sir,
Sir, you are not allowing
1 minute.
I allowed him. Are you going to dictate to me?
Nobody is going to dictate. How can
Right.
we dictate you?
Right.
Sir,
So-
the rules of council persistently and willfully obstructing the business of the house. Only after naming of such member, the chairman shall put a question on a motion being made under sub-rule 2 of Rule 256. Hence, the suspension of any member, there are two parameters which have to be adhered to. Firstly, the naming of the members by a chairman is required prior to their suspension. Only thereafter, the motion of suspension of members so named can be moved. More importantly, this procedure is relevant only on the date of occurrence of the alleged disregard or disorderly conduct of a member.
Right.
However, yesterday, sir, you were
I
not
understood.
there.
No, please.
So I am bringing to your notice 1 minute,
Yeah, please.
half second.
No. Take half a minute. No
No,
problem.
no, 1 minute.
Make the point.
Alleged disregard to disorderly conduct of the member. However, yesterday the motion for suspension of members was moved by the Minister of Parliamentary Affairs for their alleged disorderly conduct which took place during the previous session. In the present case, none of the 12 members had been named on that particular day, bringing forward a motion to suspend the members months after the day of occurrence of alleged disorderly conduct.
Right.
Is not in order.
Right, sir. Once
unprecedented
I heard you.
undemocratic
I heard you in
is a
rapt
blatant
attention.
violation of the rules.
Right. I
Sir,
heard you.
demand
Kargeji, please.
this suspension of 12 members may kindly be revoked. I request you, sir.
Please.
And no, we came to your house.
If you-
And, sir, 1 minute. We, all members came to your house. We requested you to revoke it, and it has been done selectively. There are some members, nothing to do with this, but this incident happened in last session. How can you take this?
Right.
So,
I heard the
please
LOP.
revoke it.
Let me clearly clarify
revoke
it
it.
for the
I-
sake of the
I
understanding
think-
of the House as well as the nation. The Rajya Sabha is a continuing institution. And the chairman of the House of the Rajya Sabha is empowered 256, 259, 266, even other residuary powers also. Chairman can take action and also the House can take action. What happened yesterday is not chairman taking action. It is the House, after a resolution is moved,
No,
that has
sir.
taken action.
No.
And also, no, please, hear me, hear me, hear me, hear me, hear me, hear me, please, hear me. Even about these members, on 10th August, go through the records. If you want, I will ask that to be released again. 10th, we have named members. On 10th, we have named members. We have requested them also to go to the respective seats. I appealed. Please, Ramesh, when the chair is speaking, you are not supposed to disturb him. I heard the LOP. Right. Okay. Not the House except the opposition, some opposition parties. Okay. I agreed. And then 1 minute coming. No, please sit down, no, please. When a chair is speaking, don't interrupt him. It will not go on record. I will not call you again. When I heard him fully, these people on 10th August go through the proceedings of the House. The deputy chairman made appeal number of times. Sometimes even took the names also. Later also it was in the bulletin also it was published about the people who are engaged in this act. And 11th, no, you say no. You say no. I am not doing it. Please. What is this? What is this? What is this? Please sit down. Sit down. Sit down, Mr. Venugopal. This is not the way. See, you try to mislead the House. You disturbed the House. You ransacked the table and you also throw the papers on the chair and also you have got, some of them have gone down to the table and then you are giving me lessons. You are giving me lessons. You are giving me lessons. So this is not the way. It was the motion was moved. It was approved. Action is taken. It is final. If the members who have committed this sacrilege against the House, they have not expressed any remorse. On the other hand, they are justifying. And so I don't think the appeal of the leader of opposition is worth considering. I am not considering it at all. I am not considering. Juror about the flood situation. Juror Mr. G.K. Vasan. Issue of heavy rains in Tamil Nadu. Mr. Vasan. Please sit down. Please sit down. Very important issue. Very important issue.
This is a matter
Yes,
of
what happened in the House earlier was a matter of democracy.